Hey guys, and welcome to my first attempt at vlogging. I went to vlog earlier and record some of the stuff that I was doing. I went out for dinner and drinks with friends, and then we watched the movie Joker. But honestly, I'm not comfortable enough to just grab my camera and record what's going on. I hope this will change. I'm pretty sure it will, but for now I don't want my friends and people around me to think that I'm a total weirdo, because nobody here really vlogs. I've never seen anyone do that. Anyway, so I'm home. I already went on the couch, watched a few YouTube videos, snuck with the cats, and then I got into my pajamas and started taking off my makeup. And that's when I realized I want to vlog. So here I am. My face is half off, half on, and the cats are already sleeping. So there's Daisy. Oh, she's just sleeping on this blanket. And there's Johnny, sleeping on the blanket that I wrapped around my body when I watched YouTube videos over there. So back to me, even though the cats are a lot cuter, I know. At least I realized I need to pick up my camera a little bit. And so, as I said, I went and watched the movie Joker. And by the way, in case you're wondering why I'm whispering, it's at 3 a.m. and it's Wednesday, so everybody has to work early tomorrow, and I don't want my neighbors to hate me, so that's why I don't want to be too loud and wake anyone up. And I'm trying to just... Okay, that's better. Now you guys standing on my sofa. To be honest, I was actually disappointed with the movie. I expected a few things more. The storyline didn't really add up at some points with what's going on later, and I kind of thought they would start earlier in his life and explain more about how he became the person that he is and what else happened to him. And I thought it would kind of go through different stages of his life and not just be stuck in one age. And by the way, I don't want to give out any spoilers, so I'm trying to not do that. So I hope what I just said wasn't really, or isn't considered a spoiler. I'm sorry if it is. So yeah, something just didn't add up and some things were missing, and I guess they saved that for a sequel. But I was just expecting more. Also, how, by the way, people describe this movie and how it's supposed to be a trigger from people who suffer from mental illness and stuff. I think the whole movie itself got pushed a little bit too much in the wrong direction. But then again, I'm no expert on that, but I'm just a little bit disappointed that a few things, as I said, were missing. And yeah, that's all I want to say about the movie, because this vlog is not about Joker the movie, just that I went there to see it. And now I'll end this vlog. I'll take off the rest of my makeup, go into bed, and then hopefully I'm going to do something interesting tomorrow, and I will vlog it for you guys. So what I made a latte macchiato with gingerbread syrup and a little bit of cinnamon on top. So my packages arrived, my new suitcases and the 2 jeans that I ordered. I did not order this cat, but it's the security of the packages. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to answer some emails and get back to friends who texted me, and then I'll work a little bit, and I'll see when I open the packages I will update you guys. So here we go, my suitcases are in there. I want to unpack them now, but obviously another cat is on there, and oh great, now I've actually 2 cats on my package. Amazing. To be honest, they are not really helping. I guess they don't want mommy to leave for a vacation. That's why they're trying to not let me unpack my suitcases.
Okay, there we go. We already opened the box. The first cat came down. There we go. That's the big one, and I'm pretty sure the small ones are in there. That's usually how they are packed. Okay, so Daisy. So let me get this big one out of here. Suitcase, so the cats can have the box. Let's see how long it takes one of them to get in there. Yeah, not really long. First cat is in there, second cat is coming. You can buy them the most expensive toys. They have toys laying around here everywhere. This whole apartment is basically just a cat apartment. But whenever I get something, they love the box. It's just, you can buy a cat, a 500 cat tree. They are only interested in the boxes, or in the box that the cat tree came in. That was the same with the cat tree I have on the wall. Anyway, I can finally unpack my suitcases now. Oh, the smell is terrible when you get something new. Okay, there we go. This is the suitcase that I got. It's a big one. And then in here are the smaller suitcases. Yeah, obviously. So there we go. Here's a smaller one. And there's an even smaller one in here, so, oh god, it's already messy in here. So I got 3 suitcases. Okay, here we go. They're all unpacked now, and I'm just going to let them sit here open so they can lose their smell. This is what they look like. We got the medium sized, large, and extra large. So I'm prepared for my travels now. Let's see how well they are. Obviously they weren't really expensive, so I don't expect them to be super quality. And so far they're okay. I only paid €100 for 3 suitcases, so that's amazing. Still stuck in the kitchen. I've been redoing the whole kitchen for literally 3 days now. Just put some new hangers and stuff, and also rebuilt this thing, and it's already looking a lot better. You have no idea what the kitchen looked like before. It is just the rest that I need to unpack and find new places for, but literally the whole kitchen was a huge mess before, so this is already a lot of progress. So that's that. I think I'll be done with the kitchen tonight. So maybe I'll show you the finished result. It's still not going to be perfect, but it's a lot better, and the kitchen improved a lot. Hey guys, so I'm at my parents' house and I'm going to meet their new kitten. They got her yesterday, and no, they got her on Friday, and it's Sunday now. It's the last day of me filming for this week, and I'm just about to meet the cute new kitten. It's a girl, and my parents already have 2 kittens, or 2 cats at this point. I'm literally such a good YouTuber. My camera's SD card is full. I took too many videos and pictures of the little new cat. So I forgot to show you the other 2, but if you go to a recent video, it's called like Meet My Kittens or Meet the New Kittens or something like that. It's kind of old. I was really horrible at doing videos at that point, but there you can see them, and maybe I'll catch a few clips of them here and there. But basically, I'm going to stay, let me continue what I was trying to say when I got cut. And now I'm filming on my iPhone. So what I was trying to say is I'm staying here for the day and I'm going back home tonight. Somebody is just taking a poop. And yeah, so I'm just watching the new cat. I was supposed to meet her today, which happened. Hey baby! So now she came over here. Ooh. So this is her and me. Finally in one frame, one video. Ooh. So I'm just taking care of her for today. And then I'm going back tonight, and then I need to pack for Venice because I'm leaving on Tuesday. And I kind of... Sorry, I'm so distracted. She's so cute. Let me show you.